Hello, folks. I'm Alan here with a TrailCam review. And I was hesitant to buy TrailCams. I didn't know how they would work and stuff. I don't want to spend a lot of money, but I want something that actually works, for me. So what I did, first I hit eBay, which was a mistake. I bought this one here. It lasted a few days, cost me about $35. That went out. He gave me my money back. That's trash. This one here came from eBay also. That lasted for a little bit longer than the other one, but it's just not that great. This one here came from eBay. It has a great night vision on it. It really does. None of these three cameras here has wireless Wi-Fi, and you have to do everything on screen. It's okay. You just got to pull the card in and out, the TIFF card, SD card, what you want to call it. And this one here came from eBay. It's wireless. This one here, but I don't like the way it works. And this last one here, well, this one here costs about $60. This last one here, I bought on sale for I think it was $69.99, something like that. Regular price $100. I love this camera. I really do. I'm gonna actually give me another one too. Those other I'm not gonna mess with. This is my camera here. I'm telling you. And let me get these a couple of these working for you. Those three I'm not going to worry about, but this one here, let me turn it on. If it goes on, do I put batteries in it? Oh, yeah, there it goes. It's on now. Okay, what I don't like about it, I can see they work by apps. I can go to the app here. Then I got connected Wi-Fi. Well, I got to turn this Wi-Fi on first. My phone. And I think that's the one. Nope, that's not the one. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. On this one here, you got to hit the Wi-Fi button. And then there, Wi-Fi's opening. Right here, it says CAM 09C3 093C3. It says, it always says no internet connection anyway. So what I'm going to do now is turn this from setting to on. I'm going to go back to the app here. See, now you see the Wi-Fi lit up here. Then when I click it on the camera, it says connect Bluetooth. Okay. I got the phone on airplane mode. Hold on a second. Searching for Bluetooth. And this cam button here. There you go, right there. Connect. Okay, it's connected. Check this out. Now I can go connect Wi-Fi. I did. See, this camera is a lot of trouble. It's a lot of trouble in this camera here. There we go. It's just now popping up. Connect Wi-Fi again. Okay, let me go back to the app. Click on the camera. Okay, there we are. Those are my grow lights up there. I'm in my greenhouse / studio. Anyway, connect Wi-Fi, it says again. See, this camera causing me a lot of trouble. Unable to connect to the network, it says now. It's eBay. Okay. What I do love is the one I got off of Amazon. Let me make sure I got it on because I had it outside. Anyway, both of these wireless, you can change the setting from the app, but that last camera I showed you, it's hard to work with. This one here, let me put this on the camera here. Then you hit here, then you hit gallery. Then you hit this, there you go. Now it's trying to connect. Then you join. And you do got to set these up with your home Wi-Fi too, you know. But you can be out in the woods, you have to, get it all set up and just see. I had this camera outside here taking pictures of hummingbirds. It does have a mic. It's not a great mic. Night vision is not really great on that one there, on the one from Amazon, but I love the camera because, let me back this up here, because I can, select a video, download it, and it takes a while depending on the quality of the picture. I got mine set pretty high, the quality of my picture. It takes about a minute and a half for each video, 1 minute video, I think it is. Now the other camera I showed you from eBay, the Wi-Fi one, it won't download the videos to my phone. It has a download button. You download it, and you don't know where it went. You don't. This camera, this is a great camera, I swear. Okay, hit confirm. Now let me go to my pictures. And there it is. It's on my picture right there. Like I said, the mic's not that great. Daytime video is awesome. I don't have any nighttime video to show you on this right now, but it's okay. It's just a little dark than the one without Wi-Fi. And I'm going to show you something else here too. Let me go there. Let me back. Let me go to settings here. See, in settings here, I can change the date and time. I can format the memory card right from my phone. I can set working mode if you only want to work certain time of the day or night. Trying to reconnect because I closed it out while ago. Join. This camera is so fabulous. And when I recorded the hummingbirds, it was sitting out front, and my studio is like probably about 100 feet away, 3 rooms away. Now, see, you got motion. You can do time capture, time lapse, photograph, motion detection. You got work time right here. If you want to only run at a certain time of the day, not all the time. You can set it for motion too, like I said. You can set it for photo, video. You can change the language. If I click on memory card, you got loop recording. That way it'll record over the older videos if you want, if it gets full. You can format it right here. And date and time. You can change the date format. You can have 12 or 24 hours. I do things at 24 hours military time. Motion detection. You can do everything from your phone. I got a 5-second interviews. I got the sensitivity low because I got it pretty close to the hummingbird feeders. This would make a great Father's Day gift. But like I said, I'm gonna order me another one. I love this camera. And here's your battery status. Oh yeah, another thing about the battery also, I wouldn't run rechargeables, NICCAT or anything like that in it. You can run alkaline batteries in it, but I prefer to run rechargeable lithium batteries. They last forever, seems like. I had this battery in here for 3 weeks, I think, or more. It's still 100%, but the lithium batteries will always read 100% until they die. They show you the temperature down here. It even show you the temperature on the screen also. Let me go back to here. It shows you Celsius, Fahrenheit, the date, the time, and I named this camera number 1. You can name, you can put a number on each of the cameras in case you got more than one. And I'm gonna give me another one. I'm gonna put one out there on my garden barrels because something been rooting in my ground. I want to know what it was. One time I had some lettuce grew on this one edge of the garden, and I thought it was the rabbits getting it. So I put the TrailCam out there, found out that it was a squirrel. They eat lettuce and anything green. So that's interesting to know. If I find a video for it, I'll put a link in it on this video here. And like I said, this other Wi-Fi one from eBay, I don't like it at all. It has a great night vision thing on it. And another thing too about this camera, it doesn't come with this metal buckle. I prefer these. They come with a plastic buckle, which is hard to tighten up. These are awesome though. You can probably get them anywhere. But this camera is well worth it. Trust me. And there'll be a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Oh yeah, let me show you this here. Oh, anyway. See the regular price $69.99, $30. I mean 30% off from $100, $99.99, which leaves it $69.99. It's a Wi-Fi trail camera, 4K 60 megapixels, game camera with night vision, waterproof, 120 degrees wide angle, less than 1 second speed, suitable for outdoor wildlife motion. And you can see the picture is a little dark, but it's still not bad. It has great daytime vision also. I bought this camera February 3rd and it's still going. I use it constantly all the time. So don't forget to like, subscribe, check it out. I would. Like I said, I'm going to buy me another one. I love this thing. Until next time, thanks for watching. Later.